I ended my last video with a promise. I said I was going to show you a business model so simple that it might actually make you angry. And I meant it, because when I first understood how this worked, really understood it, not the surface level version, but the mechanics behind why it works, the first emotion I felt was not excitement, it was frustration. Frustration because I had spent years believing that making money online required skills I did not have, that it required coding or design or being some kind of marketing genius. And the truth, well, the truth was so much simpler than that. So let me break the third wall. In video 1, I showed you that you do not need money to start an affiliate marketing business. In video 2, I showed you that you do not need followers. Now I am going to show you that you do not need to be technical, creative, or experienced. And the way I am going to do it is by showing you the entire business model in one sentence. Here it is. You create a short piece of content that talks about a problem. That content sends people to a page where they give you their email.
Then an automated email sequence recommends solutions to their problem. Solutions that pay you a commission when someone buys.
That is it. That is the entire business model. Content, email capture, automated follow-up, commission. Now I know some of you are thinking, it cannot be that simple. There must be a catch. There must be some hidden complexity. And I understand that reaction, because every other time someone told you making money online was simple, it turned out to be anything but simple. So let me address every piece of this, one by one, and show you exactly why each step is simpler than you think. The content. Most people here create content, and they imagine spending 8 hours editing a professional video with lighting and scripts. That is one way to create content. It is not the only way, and it is definitely not the way most successful affiliate marketers do it. The content that drives affiliate sales in 2026 is short. We are talking 15 to 60 seconds. TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts. You do not need a camera pointed at your face. You do not need your own voice. You do not need any editing skills. You don't need skills beyond what a free phone app provides. Here is what a piece of affiliate content actually looks like. Text on screen, stock footage in the background, a trending sound playing underneath. That is it. It's that simple. Total creation time, a CAD, under 5 minutes. Some people batch create 20 of these in a single sitting on a Sunday afternoon. Does every piece of content go viral? No. Most get a few hundred views, but you only need 1 or 2 out of every 20 to hit. And when they hit hack, when the algorithm pushes your content to 50,000 people too, your link in bio is right there, waiting. The email capture. This sounds technical. It is not. An email opt-in page is just a single web page with a headline. There are free tools that build this for you in 10 minutes. System.io, MailerLite. You do not need to know how to code.
You do not need to design anything. You pick a template, change the words, and publish. Done. Simple as that.
Now, the automated emails. This is the part that scares people the most. And it is the part that should scare you the least. Because an automated email sequence is just a series of emails that you write once, and that gets sent out automatically. You write email 1, it gets sent immediately. You write email 2, it gets sent the next day. Email 3 goes out 2 days later. You write these emails once, one time, and they go out to every single person who enters your system forever. Someone who signs up today gets the same sequence as someone who signs up 6 months from now. The system does it for you. And here is the beautiful part. Each email provides genuine value while naturally recommending a product, not in a sleazy way. I found something truly helpful. It's the Wealth Blueprint, and it's changed everything for me. It might just be what you need too. Give it a try, you won't regret it. That is the business. Content that takes 5 minutes. An opt-in page that takes 10 minutes. Emails you write once. And products you did not create, do not ship, and do not support. You are just the bridge. Now you might be thinking, okay, the pieces are simple, but putting them all together must be the hard part. Figuring out what content to make, choosing the right products. And you would be right, Pi, if you were doing it alone. But what if someone had already figured all of that out? What if a 7-figure marketer gave you their entire system? The exact templates, the funnel designs, the email sequences, packaged into a step-by-step program you follow like a recipe. That is not a hypothetical question. That system exists, and it has a name. I'll tell you the name in my next video. But before I do, I need to show you something else first, fate, because the name matters less than the principle behind it. And that principle is something called the affiliate stacking ecosystem. This is where the real money is made. Most people promote one product at a time. They make content for product A, get one commission, then have to start over. It is a treadmill. You stop running, the income stops. The affiliate stacking ecosystem is completely different. Instead of one product, you build a system where multiple complementary products are recommended to the same person over time. One person enters. Over a few weeks, they are introduced to product A, then tool B, then service C, then resource D. One person, 4 potential commissions. And if tools B and C have recurring monthly payments, you earn every single month. This is how people go from $0 to $5,000 a month without a massive audience. You don't need 100K followers. You just need a few hundred people entering your ecosystem. Because each person is worth not one, but multiple commissions. The math changes completely. Instead of needing 1,000 sales to make $1,000, you need 100 people. Because each person in your ecosystem potentially generates $4,000 to $6,000 because they are stacked with multiple offers. This is the principle. This is the difference between working hard and working smart. And in my next video, I'm gonna break it down. I'm gonna break it down completely. Every piece, every layer, how the stack is built, which products go where, and I'll show you why the order matters more than most people realize. Most people random, the successful ones strategic, because there is a specific sequence to the stack. Get it right, and the system compounds. Get it wrong? Get it wrong, and the whole thing collapses. Most people get it wrong because they stack randomly, without logic. That strategy is what my next video is about. I'm gonna show you exactly how to get it right. Strategic stacking. But wait, before I go, let me address one more thing. I know what you're thinking. What if I have 0 followers? And I understand that reaction. I really do. Most people think they need an audience first. It is a very valid concern. But the truth is, you don't. That is what the ecosystem solves. It connects you to products where people already have followers. You talk about a problem. You send people to an email where they give you permission. And the system does the following up. So you don't need to post every day. You don't need a camera. No complexity. That is the power of the ecosystem. It removes all the complexity that keeps people stuck. No technical skills required. Does that sound too simple to be true? I know, but it's real, and it's waiting. It works. It's real. It's not a scam. It's a method, a strategy, waiting for someone to put the pieces together. This whole time, it was right here, right in front of us. And next video, I'm gonna show you how to take the first step. Next video, everything clicks. How to build your stack, which products to choose, the order, all of it. I will lay it all out, strategically, methodically, how the stack compounds. That is what you don't want to miss. This is simple. This is real. This is simple, logical, and waiting. And you are ready for it. This is where it all clicks, the moment complexity falls away. And next video? Well, next video is everything. Don't miss it. The affiliate stacking ecosystem is the name. Simple, logical. The game has changed. The math is complete. Complexity is gone. The simple logic remains. And next video, it all falls into place. Next video, be ready. Everything changes. It really is that simple, and logical, and waiting. This is the system. This is where it clicks. Complexity falls away. See you there.